I think we're going to have a great festival, don't you? And it's not over yet. There's still a lot to go. You know, in between each dance section, we often have, and well, we always have, need for time to move dancers off the floor. When you're moving 500 dancers off the Salt Palace floor, it takes more than 15 seconds. So what we do is we get them off quickly, and then while we're lining up the next 500 to come onto the floor, we have a specialty number. Specialty numbers are those things that are used for fillers, but boy, I'll tell you, they're not just second grade, they are first class. And we're going to have, for the mayor, introduce to you one such example of a specialty number.
Since we're in the Sandy area, we decided just to go to a group of specialty dancers who happen to be from the Sandy area here. This is a group that is trained by Karen Warren, and she trains dancers to do many different dances, and they're going to do some clogging for us.
sections remaining. One is the originals, and then lastly will be the Charleston. The originals